So, hello everyone, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, we simply cover some of the elements of the given array. So, here we have the elements means that we have the array. In the array we have number of elements. So in the we have the number of elements. So what we do, we simply traverse the all the number of elements and the storing in the particular variable, and after then we simply print it. This is the also very famous interview questions in the when you go to the small companies for the placements. If you go to the product based, not sorry for that, service based company. So this is also a very important question when interviewer the ask, and when sometimes so you when go to the technical round, he give me also is asking me to how to calculate the sum of elements of the given number. So in this video we are covering. So let's start. First we take the approach, what is the approach we using. After then we simply write the code so you better understand. So what is the approach we have? Let's assume we have the one array. In the array we have some value. Let's assume we have 5. So what we do, let's before the calculating the numbers, we have two major important things which is know about the array. If you know about the array, so you also watch my arrays video where we consider cover this type of how to arrays work and all the things. So you better understand about the array, because array is very important concept when you go to the developer lines, and then if you focus on the development. So when you go to the array, many years, many the in the coding journey, in the real coding journey, array lots of where we use. So what we do, we simply do two concept. What is the context? First concept is indexing number. So always the indexing start from 0. In the array, indexing start from the 0. So here the indexing, in the index number 0 we have 1, index number 2 we have sorry, index number 0 we have 1, index number 1 we have 0, index 2, index number 3. Here I also write, if I write then you would understand. Here in the index number 0 we have 1, index number 2 we have index number 1 we have 2, index number 2 we have 3, and index number 3 we have 4, and index number we have sorry, index number 4 we have 5. Also we change the value, don't worry, indexing never change. Index number 1 we have value 5, index number 6 we have value is 10. So this is, don't worry about this, is also we, let's assume. So index number 0 we have 1, index number 1 we have 5, and index number 2 we have 4, index number 3 we have 10, and index number 5 we have index number 4 we have 5. So this is all about the indexing of the number. After then we what we know about the, if anybody say that, so find out the, let's I copy this and write, and then copy. I I cover also basic importance question. If anybody say that find out the length of the this particular array, because the length if anybody say the length of the particular array, so you know about the length of the particular array is 1 2 3 4 5. So length of the array is 5. So always remember length, sorry, length start from 1. We always we not calculate the length of the array is 0 1 2 3 4. No, length of the array, how many elements is the present in the array. So here is the present array is present is the 5. So length of the array is 5. So this is basic two concept. You also know about this, but some people shall know about this, don't know. So what is the indexing, how to start the indexing. So we always remember indexing start from the 0. Sometimes in the when you in the oldest ways, some youtubers say, someone say that indexing start from the 1. You also consider, but in the programming when you use the real indexing, let's assume what I do, I simply just consider, also give, let's I what I do, I simply create the array. Let's simply create the array. This is a totally new things, but I know about, you know about this. And what I do in a ny, simply I ny SYS. So we simply write array array index number. We want to index number 0 position. What is the value of the index number 0? So here you can see in the index number 0 we have 1. If I update this, so you can say the index number 1 is 10. If I what I do, if I simply, I also give you proof dot length. Here you can say the length of the array is 5. So this is all about the length of the array and the index of the number array. Let's I want what do I do? I take this example for this particular explanation. So after that what I do, simply what we do, we simply traverse the particular array. So traversing starts from the 0 to, sorry for that, 0 to index in length, say length of the array minus 1. Why length of the array minus 1? Because here you can say the value is 5 and we start the index number 0, and here if I go to the 5, he go to the index out of the bound. So then why we go to the 0 to 4? Because we are traversing by indexing number. So indexing number, last indexing number is 4, so we go to the 0 to 4. How to know about the what is our last index? So simply write the length dot, we simply use the length function minus 1. So he give me the last index value. If you feel about that, so what I do, copy it and also give me the proof. What I do, we simply write in the control v, what I simply write array dot length minus 1, and if I run it, he give me the 5 as the output. Here you can there see the, if I here answer the 12, so he give me the 15 as the output. So this is all about the how to traverse the length of the last index. So here we simply go to 0 to 4, and how to go to last index, array dot length minus 1. So here to go to the last one. After that what I do, we simply, in the first we go to the index number 0, and index number 0 what is the index number 0? 1. So simply I take the one variable which is any name. So in the index variables we simply add the particular values elements. So when I add the particular element, sum become 1. After then again when I become 1, so 0 become 1. So what is the index number 0 value? Here you can say 5. So 1 plus 5, so he becomes 6, this becomes 6. So in the sum we have the 6. After then I become 2, and after then what is the value of the 2? The value of the 2 is 4. So when to add the 4, this become 10. In the sum we have 10. After then what we do, I become 3. What is the value of the 3? 3 is the 10. So simply what I do, simply add the 10 and it's become 20. After then I become 4. I manually traverse the array. You also use the debugger, and here you can say, but here I manually add. I become 4. What is the value of the index number 4? 5. So simply add the 5. After adding the 5, sum become, this value become 25, and here you can say I become 5. When I become 5, this condition is true. False, because we have only go to the 5 less than 4, sorry, less than 4. So this become the condition is become false. When this condition is become false, we simply terminate the loop. After terminating the loop, we simply print the sum value. In the sum value 25, so simply 25 is printed. Sorry for that, 25 is printed. So this is all about the concept. Let's cut it, paste here, and after then what we do, we simply write the logic, the same logic we are here I explained right here. So int simply take the one value variable 0, had it go to less than equals to array dot length minus 1, and after then what I do, I plus plus, and I plus plus, and simply here we using the one variable. Here you can say the using the one variable, but I'm not writing the variable's name here because this is the local variable for this. So I use make as the global variable. I write the out of the for loop. So here I consider 0. After then I simply add the value to sum plus what I do, sum plus array of i's value. First time I zero's value 0 becomes 10. After incrementing I become 1 and I become 1, i's value equal to 2, and so on. After then we simply, when the for loop terminated, in the out of the for loop we simply put in the value of the sum. So we'll write the sum of elements, sorry for that, elements, sum of elements are, we simply use the write print the sum value. And after printing it, here you can say 39, sorry for 69 it, sorry for that, 69 is our output. Let's write this. I copy this, and what I do, I control V, control S, and you can say 25 is, here you can say 25 is our output. If I write the minus 5, it gives me the, I think 99 15 is the output. So this is all about how to find a given, the how to calculate the sum of the element of the given array. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, if you some getting information about the how to some of the element of the given array, so please subscribe my youtube channel. So I will little bit motivated. Then I also upload the all the concept of the related to the basic programming, and also I start from the one programming concept is the C language. After C language we simply go to the Java, Python, and all about. If there's any problem which you know about this, which is you feel that this is not solvable for me, so you also comment in the comment box. So I also make the video what this particular topics, and also explain in the very easy manner, so you understand the concept and also know about this all the things. So bye bye.